What is going on, everybody? Today I wanted to share with you my M1 Finance. I hit over $10,000 in this portfolio, so I wanted to do an updated video. So as always, make sure if you haven't already, you like the video, subscribe. I gotta mention that every time. So this has been the account where I have really been piling my money into lately. I just have this weird thing about starting new portfolios and really trying to grow it quick. So I've kind of put my main portfolio second to this one. I really just wanted to get this one at least to 10,000. So I'm happy that I finally got that. So if we look at a 1 week chart, you can see that on January 25th, I was at 9,900. 1 month ago, you can see January 4th, I was at 6,300. 1 quarter ago, I was only at 828. So, I've really been piling money into this. I've been joking around with people and my fiance saying that this is going to be my Tesla stock, or I'm going to grow this enough to where I can buy myself my Tesla with it. Because if you don't follow the channel, I'm a big Tesla bull. I have over 200 shares in my main portfolio. Very, very bullish on it. Love the product, love the company. I'm very biased, so of course I'm going to talk highly of it. But if I could get this one to like 30, 35 grand, I could buy a Model 3 with it. I would prefer the Model Y, but I don't know. I don't know if I could actually, sell an entire portfolio to buy something. I'm very minimalistic, and as much as I would love one, that will be a tough one for me to do. So let's look into the holdings I have and see how things are looking. So if you couldn't guess what my largest holding in the portfolio would be, it is, of course, Tesla. My value is currently $4,600. I have a 39% allocated into this. I have been playing with the numbers on my portfolio on this. I bumped it up to 9, even though I manually add to Tesla when I want to. If we click on it, you can see that I have 5.5 shares at an average cost of $7.26. The current price is $8.33. This is a stock where I don't really care what the price is. I was kind of bummed because Friday it dipped under 800, and I was hoping that I could buy more under that, but of course it recovered quickly. And then my next biggest holding is ARKG. I'm sure you've heard about this one. It's a Cathie Woods ETF. This is one that I'm really excited about. If we click on it, I have 30 shares, average cost of 105, current price is 103. I also have 20 shares or so in my main portfolio, but I have pulled up some of the holdings. These are the top 10 holdings. So the reason I originally got into this one was because I kept hearing about CRISPR Therapeutics and some of the DNA work they're doing, and it sounded really cool, but I am not educated at all in the science field or any of that. So I didn't feel comfortable starting to buy CRISPR without really understanding it, even though, from a blind eye, it looked really promising. And I kept hearing about Teladoc Health also, which is the largest holding. And so I decided, I love Cathie Woods. I always tell people that there's only 3 people I will blindly invest my money with, and Cathie Woods is one of those people. So if she starts a fund, I will gladly buy it. I would like to get into ARKW at some point, or ARKK. I'm still debating on that. So yeah, that is going to be the second place where I really put money into this coming year. I would really like to get Tesla and ARKG to 10,000 each, which will be kind of a lofty goal because I don't add that much money to the account. I do have a large chunk that I might be putting in soon, but other than that, I try to do $25 every day, and depending on the prices, it's usually just going into Tesla or ARKG. Third is PBW, which is Invesco Clean Energy ETF. I have 11 shares, average cost 113. It's currently at 121. I have this pulled up also. This is really I'm not going to get political or anything, but this is my big Biden play. I think that if you don't know by now, Biden is making a huge push for clean energy. I already have a huge exposure into Tesla, and I do have NIO, and you can see down here it is the 8th and 9th largest holding. So I could have went out and tried to buy a few like Blink or Plug, I know are some popular ones, but I want more of a hands-off approach in my M1, so I figured it would be best just to do a good and easy ETF in this industry. You can see the largest holding is Green Power Motor. I have no idea about most of these, but I believe that a lot of these are going to go up very much in the next 4 years. So I'm excited for that. Other than that, I don't think I'll be adding much money to any of these other holdings. I have $1,000 or so in NIO. I'm currently up $244. QYLD is the dividend play in this portfolio. It's also in my main portfolio. Tattooed Chef, I love this company. I think it'll be a huge home run in the coming years. So this will be one, if it drops under the $21 range or the $20 range, I'll keep adding to this one. Amazon and Google, I'm kind of at a standstill with this. I don't know if I should be adding to it, or I'm sorry, I don't know if I should hold it anymore or just get rid of it, because I'm at the point where I will not be adding any money to it. And so I don't know if it makes sense to hold this little amount, or if I should just sell it and put it into ARKG and Tesla. Square, I do like this company. I do see a big future for it. But once again, those top 3 holdings in this portfolio are really where my mind is at and my focus is at. IPOE, this is the SoFi SPAC merger. This is going to be my big bank play. I think it will really dominate the banking industry. And aggressive dividends, I'm not even looking at this one. It has a bunch of REITs and stuff in it. I have a few bucks in it. It pays out a few dividends here and there, but nothing really worth mentioning. But yes, the big goal for this account will be getting Tesla and ARKG 10,000 a piece by the end of 2021. Let's see if I can pull it off. Let me know what you guys think about this one if you are invested in any of these companies. As always, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.